What else is in here? What else is in here?
Oh, what do we got here? Oh, look at the sheep. More candy.
Joey, what else is in the box? Is there a book?
It's like Christmas.
I'm Ducky.
You like the ducky. What else is in here?
Oh, I see. What's that? Oh,
Are there eggs?
Open, please, Joe.
Ducky, open.
No.
No, that's for dessert later. We do that later, okay?
Do this one.
I see more.
What else is in the box? What else? I see a choo-choo.
Dump it, Joe.
What's that?
Oh, wow, what's that?
Books. A choo-choo book.
What's this?
What is that?
What's that?
Oh, tree.
Oh, little engines can do big things. Oh, boy. Oh, we gotta look at that. What's this here? Thomas. To Joey, wish I could be there to read this to you. Where you going now? Love, Aunt Susie and Uncle Charlie.
Eggs.
Thank you.
Oh, Ducky.
Duckies. Okay, we'll look at this later.
What else you got? Another book.
Oh, my goodness.
Ooh, I see a tractor book. Wow.
Papa, give me the book.
Oh, big tractors. Oh, that was an alligator and the Easter egg hunt.
Wow.
Wow, look at this. Boy, oh boy. Ooh, look at that. Where are they getting all the they're getting all the Easter eggs.
Oh my God.
What's this? Oh, look at that. Oh, Joey, these open up. Oh, look. These open up. See? Look. What's in here? Allie finds red. Oh, there's Easter eggs. What's up here? Oh, Farmer's kids, Gaby and Eric, brush their teeth. It's a beautiful sunny morning. What are you doing here with Papa? Oh.
He'll like that book.
Oh, chocolate.
Look at all the candy. Wow.
Oh, this is so cool.
Mama, tidy.
Thank you.
Thank you for the candy, Joe.
Thank you, Papa.
You're welcome.
Say thank you, Susu.
Joey, say thank you, Susu.
Where's Ducky?
Here's
Right
Ducky.
here.
You'll have to make a nice thank you note and send it to Susu.
Oh, she does a lot of things. That's really sweet.
Katie.
Say Happy Easter, Susie and Charlie. We love you. Say bye-bye, Joey.
Oh,
Say
boy.
bye-bye.